I'm really excited. It's actually my first start at home, so yeah, it'll be cool to be in front of my family and get some good minutes.
Kua tuatea a Tahlor Cahill mai te pai whakahihiri ki te rārangi timatanga mo tēnei kēmu.
I think just bring a lot of energy, you know. It's a performance that demands that. It's you know, historically it's always been a great match.
Ko Cahill ka tū hei pouwhītiki mo te rauna tuarima o te Super Rugby Pacific. A he tukinga o te tonga e haere ake nei I wainga I te kapa Whatumoana me te kapa Highlanders. Hei tā te kaiwhakahaere o te kapa Whatumoana, a Rob Penny, kei te rite a Cahill mo tēnei tukinga whai muri I tana wharatanga.
Yeah, not quite a shoulder, but yeah, he had a little bit of sternum. Yes, but looking great, thanks. He's a great young man with a really good future, and we're excited to have him back in the mix.
He's extremely fit and he's pretty physical too, like on when he's defending. So we're going to need that around the park, and then he's got a great skill set as well.
Ka noho te tīma Highlanders ki te taumata tuawhitu o te tēpū, ko te kapa Whatumoana kei te taumata tuawaru. Hei tā te kaiwhakahaere o te kapa Highlanders a Jamie Joseph, me whai whakaaro tōna tīma ki ngā kaitākaro whakamua.
The obvious challenge when you play the Crusaders is in the forwards. Our two backs can quite versatile. Regin Pasitoa can play 10, 12, 13. Adam Lennox can play, I reckon, anywhere except the forwards. So it just gives us the ability to play an extra 4. We feel it's going to be a really tough game, so having another big fella out there could help us.
Players will take care of, you know, whoever they're marking, and they'll know them intimately and do their best to counter that. And as a team though, as a group, you know, we've got some really good strategies around trying to nullify their strength and expose our strengths as often as we can.
He oi anō mā tēnei pouwhītiki no Ngāpuhi, aha kua noho ia ki te taha mo te nuinga o ngā rauna, he tūhono anō ki tōna kapa.
I'm just looking forward to building some chemistry with some of the guys. It's always exciting playing with the likes of Tahlor, you know, a great leader and someone I've always looked up to. So stuff like that is stuff I'm really excited about. But in terms of my own personal goals, it's more a commonality goal around getting the performance out there.
Hei tēnei hātarei, ka kōkiri te pakanga o te taitonga ki konei ki te taiwhanga o Apollo Projects. Hei te 5 miniti pahi I te whitu karaka I te pō. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.